adjusting and setting the brake on the NLB Torrent 50 nozzle. The Torrent 50 features a revolutionary brake design which makes setting the nozzle speed fast and easy. To accurately gauge the RPM of the nozzle body, we need to know how fast the nozzle block is spinning. To do this, we'll count the number of nozzle strikes or pulses that we hear in a 15-second time span. Often, the best place to listen for these pulses is the point into which the nozzle was inserted into the vessel. Because of the geometry of the nozzle block, you can be assured that a nozzle strike or pulse will always occur near this point. Let's look at an example. Here you can see that we're keeping track of the number of pulses we hear over 15 seconds. At the end of 15 seconds, we see that we've counted 16 pulses. In this example, it took 15 seconds for us to hear 16 pulses. We now simply take our number, 16, and multiply it by 2. The result, 32, is the rotational speed of our nozzle arms. If you find that the RPM of the nozzle falls outside of the targeted range of 20 to 50 revolutions per minute, you can make an adjustment to the magnetic brake system. To do so, begin by loosening the 5 cap screws on the end of the Torrent 50. You can now use the same Allen wrench to move the adjustment mechanism. Moving the brake mechanism in this direction will lessen the brake setting and will result in faster nozzle rotation. Moving the mechanism in this direction will increase the brake and result in slower nozzle rotation. If you find that the brake mechanism won't stay in place once you've set it, tighten up one of the Allen screws. This should provide enough resistance to keep the brake mechanism in place. Once the brake is in its desired position, completely retighten the fasteners.